this is the home page, and this is what you would see. So this is last reading is 11 a.m. this morning. So these are the chlorophyll A and the phycocyanin. We have the 6 units in Echo Lake. If we want to go to a little bit information, you just click in the unit, right click in the unit, and let's look at the current parameters. So this is the trend for chlorophyll A in blue, and in black we have the phycocyanin, and in green, faded green, we have the turbidity. We can also see the water quality parameters, that we have dissolved oxygen, we have the dissolved oxygen saturation, we have the pH, and we have the temperature of the water. So we installed these units on September 2nd. Temperature was pretty high, around 25 Celsius. Right now, the temperature of the water is around 10 Celsius. And you can clearly see what's happening with algae. Let me do a little comparison. We have 2 types of units in the lake. We have what it's called a pro unit that has the sampling ability, and the other ones just do the ultrasonic waves. So we have the 2 units, 13 and 14. I can graph them together here. So for chlorophyll A, we have the 2 units. Also important to mention that the lakes will behave differently depending on the nutrients that are coming in the different locations. So you see how the unit that is located in the middle of the reservoir has a different chlorophyll A value than the one closer to the outfall. These green and orange trends are the phycocyanin. We were having an issue. You see here how it was spiking. We had a conversation with Algisonic. Phone call away. They made an adjustment. This means an adjustment here, and it dropped drastically. Same thing with water quality. So we can put the 2 side by side for the 2 units that we have in the lake. They're behaving very similar for pH. You see it here. For dissolved oxygen, very similar. Saturated dissolved oxygen, the same thing. And the temperature, again, the same thing. Without being an expert, without looking at any numbers like in detail, you see like the 3 peaks in pH. And then you see the 3 peaks in phycocyanin. 1, 2, 3. The chlorophyll A has behaved a little bit better, but like in this location, at the beginning of the project, we're looking about 41 milligrams per liter. And at this point in time, we're around 6.9. Temperature, yes. Nutrients, yes. But so far, we can consider this project a success. We didn't have an algal bloom this year. We didn't have a problem, and we have had problems in the 2 previous years. Again, we're going to validate this information and make sure that we have the right data.